Alright, trims.
Trim tabs are set for departure.
Navigation is
There is a preset.
flight instruments.
Being booted up. Flight instruments set on my side.
Engine instruments.
And with a normal range.
Crosswind light.
1 to go.
Auto federal.
It's armed.
Stand by after.
Roger, that is also on.
Flaps.
Tap down selected.
Navigation light.
And lights on.
Cabin light.
And be quiet.
Taxi.
Taxi lights on.
Good.
Winair 315, taxi Alpha, hold short 10,
Juliana, good day. The wind 411. Charlie 12, taxi Saba.
Winair 411, taxi to Alpha, behind company, Alpha, runway 10, wind 07019, altimeter 3008.
388, we taxi Alpha behind our company wind 411.
Clear.
Yep, stay firm.
Juliana, Charlie Golf, November, Pell X-ray, request engines.
Taxi checks. Brakes check.
Like it throws.
Movements are free.
They're back up.
411, requesting a Charlie departure?
No, sir.
Negative, we'll take it at Alpha, 411.
Roger, continue down to Alpha and hold short 10.
Contained Alpha, whole shot, wind 411.
At Alpha, runway 10, cleared for takeoff, wind 060 at 21 knots.
10 clear for takeoff, windward 411. With the land on land, they will be completed. Alright, ready?
Lights are on. Just adjust this a little bit. Yeah, there you go. Alright, let's lower thing.
Auto for the arm.
Roger that, and friction.
Friction set 60.
Roger. Throttles. Clarate.
Affirm.
Juliana Tower, November Hotel X-ray, ready for departure. Charlie Golf.
Flaps 0.
Select in 0.
Cleared for takeoff, wind 080 and 19 knots.
Delta 10.
Indicated 0.
November Hotel X. Climb power prop 75.
75 coming up. So stack slide off, flaps up, climb forward set. On the lights, auto throttle.
Disengaged.
Main nose wheel.
Set it.
After takeoff, fix up.
Call you back for ADC. Yeah, it's 5 hotel.
411, I say again, airborne time 49er, report 10 south.
High 10 south, 411.
Yeah.
10 miles now, 411.
411, Saba, 11825.
Auto Saber 11825 with 411, later. Saber, good morning, wind 411. Let's see how this wind is, boy.
411, good morning, Saber.
411, we are 13 miles out, 3,000 feet. Estimate you have time on the hour.
411, Saber info, roger. Active runway 12, wind 080 degrees at 19 knots. Altimeter setting 30.06. Temperature 27 degrees, negative reported traffic in the area. Advise on approach to final.
08019. Alright, copy, call you, turn to final 12 and 411.
Approach briefing. Gonna make an attempt to land on runway 12 at Saba with 4 flaps. Emergencies, bulk landing, obstructions on the runway. For some reason we never made contact at the end of the second center lines, and the ones that permitting our landings will go ahead and execute the missed approach procedure. Either continue to station or come back for another try. Briefing complete.
Alright, and the PA to go, process planning complete.
Gotcha. Flaps 10.
Selected.
Oh shit.
And set. Oh no, left base final 12 and 411.
411, roger, 080 degrees, 17 knots.
411.
Flips.
Money select. Money set.
Flaps.
Selected 4 flaps.
Did we get the fine pitch?
Move forward. Short final 12 and 411. Here it was.
411, roger, now 080 degrees, 19 knots.
Copy 411. Last 4 approximate crossing the final clear, weather radar on standby, in on the lights.
Landing lights are on.
Alright, no landing clearance here before landing check complete.
Roger that.
Persian, RTU 250. Airborne 5.
Alright.
Expect
Hey, to landing Jackson.
Good, landing lights, they can be completed.
411 on time on the hour.
Copy 411.
What ain't choking out any
time.
time?
47, airborne.
Rough. I mean, looking at the wave.
I know the wheel high too.
4.
Oh boy.
Called the full shutdown.
All levers,
Idle
parking brake,
and parking brake is being set. The
generators,
they are off.
taxi light is all props, bedded, and fuel and stable.
Good.